I am Israel. I'm the country.
What do you like about Vilnius?
I like just like how the city looks. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's walkable. It's good transportation.
I like the green fields between the buildings.
What do you like about this project?
I believe it's a good balance between learning and exploring culture, but you're on your own.
You know, we have both opportunities, learning, traveling. We are learning it's both way.
While we are mostly working on our language, we actually have a lot of questions about Lithuanian language and culture, so we could ask them in class, and the teachers are very happy to explain anything about the culture.
Do you like Lithuanian food?
I like Lithuanian. I can't tell what's Lithuanian and what isn't, but I really enjoy the kibinas.
What can you say in Lithuanian for me?
Aš esu Julija, aš esu iš Lenkijos.
Aš esu Azerbaidžaniečian.
Studijuoju muzikos kompoziciją, bet dabar aš mokaus lietuvių kalbos.
Kaip sekasi?
Iki. O tas